Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Honeywell dehumidifiers effectively pull moisture from the air, controlling humidity to help prevent mold and mildew. They're available in 50 and 70 pint sizes and ideal for rooms with high humidity such as basements, laundry, storage, and bathrooms. Energy Star certified, Honeywell dehumidifiers remove moisture with less energy than conventional dehumidifiers. Constructed with a strong body, a braced water tank, and durable casters, Honeywell dehumidifiers are built to last. Honeywell dehumidifiers have an adjustable humidistat with clear display for current and desired humidity levels. To be effective in different room environments, versatility is important when choosing.
Do you have concerns regarding your in-home air quality? With the Cuisinart Purexium countertop and freestanding air purifiers, virtually eliminate or capture up to 99.9% of airborne particles of 0.1 micron or larger. This includes airborne bacteria and various contaminants that can diminish air quality and make breathing uncomfortable. The countertop Purexium air purifier draws air in through two sides and cycles air within 500 square feet twice every hour, or 250 square feet 4 times an hour. And the freestanding Purexium draws air in through all 4 sides and cycles air within 1,000 square feet twice every hour. The Cuisinart air purifiers are equipped with H13 high-grade HEPA filters, active carbon filters, and removable and washable metal pre-filters. Additionally, the freestanding air purifier uses powerful UVC light to further reduce airborne bacteria. These elements work together to help you breathe easier by reducing or capturing up to 99.9% of airborne particles of 0.1 micron or larger. The quiet and powerful motors rid your house of the lingering food aromas, pet dander, pollen, dust, including mites, bacteria, tobacco smoke, wildfire-generated smoke, carbon, and lead dust. Illuminated touchscreen controls give a sleek, modern look to any room. The countertop purifier is equipped with a child safety lock, 12-hour timer, sleep mode, night light, and 3 fan speeds, while the freestanding purifier additionally includes a filter replacement indicator, UVC light, and 4 fan speeds. Improve your air quality and have peace of mind at home with the Cuisinart Purexium countertop and freestanding air purifier.
It can be tough to stay cool. That's why Haier offers so many room air options. There's something for every living situation, from window units with built-in Wi-Fi to portable units with versatile cooling, and even dehumidifiers that remove excess moisture, giving you complete peace of mind. Experience the #1 major appliance brand in the world, Haier.
Say hello to 2 of our latest products, the EDV-1200 and 2400. First, we have the EDV-1200. This dehumidifier is perfect for closets, RVs, home offices, and uses Peltier technology, which means it's quiet enough for your baby's nursery or nightstand. But we also wanted to make something more powerful. Introducing the EDV-2400. It has a built-in humidistat and is great for locations like your boat, RV, or vacation home. Innovating our product line is something that we take pride in. Because at Eva-Dry, we believe you deserve only the highest quality products.